Dear student, today I am going to teach you the types of statistical series. We can now we can divide the whole of the statistical series into three, generally two parts. These are the individual series and the frequency series. And again, frequency series is divided into discrete series and a continuous series. And continuous series is also further classified into ordinary or cumulative frequency series and unequal class interval, then open end series or open end classes, then exclusive method series, and the last one is inclusive method series. Now let us discuss all of these by one. Individual series. Now when the value of the any all the units are shown separately, that is individually, it is known as individual series. Such a series may be or unorganized, or it may be organized as well. As unorganized individual series are usually made available in raw data form, as have been shown in the above example. You can see the table here. In this table you will find the unorganized. Now the organized individual series, taking example as image the reproduce, you will find the 25 students and their total marks. 25 students marks is given. Now 310, 360, these are the marks. And the same data can be arranged into organized one using the another in the discrete series. We will discuss about it. An individual series may be constructed in ascending or descending order. Ascending order, it is a technique by which data are presented from lowest to highest order. As you know, for example, above data table may be written as, now first we have not ascending only, we have taken the marks here. Marks, you will find the lowest marks obtained by a student is 230 and the highest is 415. You will find this 415 and it is repeated twice and so on. Now first we have shown the less marks, then increasing and then highest one. Again, same individual series can be shown in the descending order, that just opposite of the ascending. Now here we will select the highest marks. Now you see the table: 415, 415, 410, 410, and the 400 and so on, and the least one is the 230. Now again, how can we identify the individual series? Either there is only one variable is given, then we can easily identify the individual series. Now another one is frequency series. Frequency series, when a data is available classified into different groups of frequencies, it is called a frequency series. Frequency series is divided into again two parts. This is the discrete series and a continuous series. Let's discuss the discrete series. In this type of series, in which all the values are divided into certain groups, it is generally, you will find organized data it is. And generally individual series you will not find in the individuals, in the unorganized one. These groups are broken and not continuous. The number of value that fall in a group is mentioned against that group. Or here two variables you will shown, one is the attributes and another one is magnitude. Magnitude means the numerical value, and in first one we can say the marks, height, weight, income, these are the attributes. The number of value, the above individual series may be presented in the form of discrete series by taking the steps as well. Again, same 25 students marks can be converted into discrete series, and this data was earlier, which data you have seen, this was the unorganized one, and if we organize this into certain group, then it becomes a, now it becomes a discrete series. Now let's follow some steps and how the 25 students marks can be organized. Now we have follow some steps. Now first step, from the group of marks, let us make a marks as a 230, 240 and so on. Remember, the group will be broken. Now group, we will make a first of all a group. Second step, find out the number of students falling in the group of marks so formed accordingly in this step. Third, construct a frequency distribution table with the help of a tally bar. Tally bar is just if one number will draw the one line, then two, and I will just tell you the tally bar. Taking the three steps, now same data is converted. You can see now lowest marks is 230, only one student got, tally bar it is, and the frequency becomes 1. And 240, one student only got the 240 marks, that is 1, and the tally bar is also shown 1. 250, two students have got the 250 marks again. So if it is 5, then it is 1 2 3 4, and the line is cutted from the above, and that is shown in the discrete series, and so on. Highest number is 450. You will see the next table and the second, and you will see the tally bar. The above two series, individual and discrete, can be arranged either in ascending, or the marks either can be written as a ascending 415 to 230, or in the descending order as well. Now let us talk about the continuous series. In this series, the values are shown in a continuous manner. The group is organized in such a case that the distance between each group is equal. In the above example, the marks may be organized into group, and the same individual data can be converted into the certain group, then it becomes a continuous series. Now continuous series, now you can see in this table 200 to 250 we have made of one group, then 250 to 300 then second group, 300 to 350 third group, 350 to 400 fourth group, and the whole of the marks is divided into 5 groups. Now you will see 200 and 250 in this group, only 2 students come, tally bar is 2, and the frequency also becomes 2. And 250 to 300 group, you will find the 6 students. See how 5 is written in this 5, 1 2 3 4 line, and another one is cutted from the up, and the 6 is represented. Similarly, 300 to 350 you will find the 7 marks, 7 students, and 350 to 400 you will find the 5, and 400 to 450, that is the again 5. Now again continuous series is also divided into different types: ordinary or cumulative frequency series. In this series, ordinary or cumulative frequency series are constructed by adding the successive or preceding frequencies in the group in either the previous one or the succeeding one. It is the total frequency corresponding in the different groups, and this series may be constructed in either less than or more than. In generally, will this type of data you will find in the less than or more than. Taking the above example, same numerical, same table, 25 students marks, we can show in a less than and more than and less than. Now we have made a first group less than, you will see the table less than 250, the number of students is 2, and less than 300. Now total is added 6 plus 2, 6 plus 2 is equals to 8, and 5 and 3 8. Less than 350, it becomes a 15, and less than 400 it is 20, and less than 450 we have the 25 student. This is called the cumulative frequency series. Now in the next class we will talk about more than, unequal class interval, then open-ended series, and exclusive and inclusive method. For today, thank you and have a nice day ahead.